Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to use your eraser tool on TradingView. So if you want to mark out your things and you've made a mistake, the simplest way to delete your mistake is by using the eraser tool. So before we continue, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, in this video I'll be using GBP USD as an example. So right here I'll just click on it. I'll click on it to make my chart look bigger. So right now I've made mistake. Instead of using the highlighter tool, I've marked so many places. So right now, how do I look for my eraser tool? I'll just click right here. Now you can see our eraser tool right here. Once I click on it, and now I'll just tap on my highlighter where I've made the mistakes, and you see it's cleaning, right? You can see it's cleaning. The same thing if you're using your tool. Let's take for example, we use our rectangle tool and we marked out this place, and you discover that this is not where you want to mark, or maybe you want to mark right at this upside. You bring out your eraser tool right here. Once you tap on it and you tap, you can see it has been deleted. Whichever mistake you make, you can use your eraser tool to cancel it, right? Let's take for example, we made this mistake, and you can also use your eraser tool right here to delete it, right? The eraser tool is used to correcting your mistakes, right? The eraser tool is used to correcting your mistakes. So if you've made mistakes in your analysis, in your drawings, you can use the eraser tool to cleaning it up. So this is the simplest way on how to use the eraser tool on your TradingView. I hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.